Hey there, it's David Cinelli here, Realtor with Royal LePage Signature. Today's home tip has a lot to do with what happened last week with the snowstorm. I don't know if you saw last week, if you are here in the GTA, in some particular areas as opposed to others, we got huge dumping of snow. Natalie and it took us, I think 2 hours for us to shovel our driveway, which really isn't that big, so it's 4 man hours, which usually takes about 20 minutes. So needless to say, the snow was up to our knees. And what happens at that point is you got to be careful about your appliances inside the house that use exhaust to vent out gases. For example, your hot water tank, if it's a gas hot water tank, it vents out to outside to make sure that there's no carbon monoxide poisoning coming inside. You don't want to have any of those gases coming inside, as well as your furnace and sometimes most boiler systems as well. Anything basically uses kind of gas, they need to be vented outside of the home. Well, with the dumping of snow that we had last week, well, it covered a lot of those exhausts. So if you had snow covered on those, two things can happen. Either A, it can force your furnace or your hot water tank to stop working. It can break the mechanism inside. Or the other thing is, which is the worst thing, which I alluded to earlier, is it could cause carbon monoxide to come into the home and cause some poisoning. So if you haven't had a chance to go look out at your vents today, go out and clear them out now. And sorry about that. Moving forward, in case there is any storms that are coming up in the horizon, unfortunately I don't want to think about that, but yeah, if there is another huge dumping of snow, make sure you go out and clear them moving forward. Have a wonderful day, and I hope this tip helps you and keeps you safe. Bye for now.